Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete blank pages in Google Docs. So for that, first of all, open a browser in your PC and open the Google Docs at first. Click open new tab and there you type in docs.google.com and press enter. You are at the Google Docs currently. So I'll be showing you how you can delete a blank page on your Google Docs. So first I will need to create or type in few details for me to show you how it works. Currently I've just typed in 3 of the pages. So I'm just gonna empty this one at the very last. There you go. Just as I have deleted all the content of that page, the page has been automatically deleted as well. So this is how it works in Google Docs. Once you delete all the content within that particular page, that page will also be deleted. So here currently there's 2 pages that I have on Google Docs. So if I remove all the content from this page, you can see all the content has been deleted. The page is still blank and it is still in Google Docs. So if you just tap on few backspace, you can see the page is no more over there on the Google Docs. So once all the content has been removed, the page will automatically be deleted in Google Docs. It is a default system of Google Docs where you do not have to particularly choose and delete the page. You can just remove the content within that and the page will be deleted as well. There you can see the page has been removed. So this is how you can delete a blank page in Google Docs by removing all the contents within. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.